Chevy vans and sport vans are engineered, tested, and built tough. An all-welded ladder-type construction is welded to the floor pan, which is welded to vertical side strainers, which are welded to roof bows, which in turn are welded to roof and body panels. And it's this weight-saving design that enables Chevy vans and sport vans to carry big payloads. Wind tunnel tests help shape Chevy vans' airflow patterns, which contribute to its aerodynamic design. Chevy's suspension system is designed for an easy, smooth ride, yet is tough enough to handle the rugged work of carrying gross payloads up to 4,244 pounds. The massive girder beam front suspension allows the wheel, spring, and shock on one side to independently absorb bumps and road shocks without transferring forces to the other side. Chevy's specially engineered two-stage multi-leaf rear springs. Unloaded, a few leaves come into play, providing a soft ride. Loaded, all the leaves go to work to further carry and cushion the additional weight. And for 1980, G30 van with its special extended leaf spring design delivers a soft ride even at 8,600 pounds GVWR. At the proving grounds, heavily loaded Chevy vans and sport vans are driven on this Belgian block road, which provides thousands of miles of torturous real bumps. Special attention to corrosion protection helps Chevy vans and sport vans keep their good looks. Corrosion-resistant metals are extensively used in the assembly. The body is dipped in an electrostatic bath of anti-corrosion primer. Special sealer is used to keep moisture out of all critical joints. Lower inside surfaces of doors and inner rocker panels are sprayed with aluminum wax preservative. Protective undercoating is sprayed on wheel housings, under front door step panels, and rocker panels. Then the inner and outer surfaces are coated with chip-resistant acrylic enamel paint that's baked on to a shiny luster. Chevrolet vans are designed and built to stay tough. Chevrolet power teams offer efficient performance to meet the requirements of work or play. The 4.1-liter six-cylinder is designed with plenty of power and good fuel efficiency. Chevy offers 3 V8s, a 5-liter, a 5.7-liter that's standard on G30 series, and a 6.6-liter 400 cubic inch V8, available on G20 and G30 series, which is well suited for special commercial body applications. Chevrolet vans feature a 3-speed fully synchronized manual transmission and an available 3-speed automatic transmission. A wide selection of rear axle ratios completes Chevrolet vans' broad range of power team choices so that fuel-efficient combinations can be put together. In flat country with light loads, a low axle ratio will help achieve impressive combinations of power and fuel efficiency. For rugged hills and heavier loads, higher rear axle ratios are available. A single inlet dual outlet muffler and tailpipe system reduces noise and pressure, contributes to fuel efficiency, and provides additional horsepower. Chevrolet vans offer a wide choice of power teams for an impressive combination of performance and efficiency.